All right, everyone, let's learn the electric slide. It's going to start on the right foot, traveling to the right. 5, 6, 7, travel. 1, 2, 3, together 4, 5, 6, 7, together 8. Step back, step front, step back, step front, scuff. Again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step back, step front, step back. We have 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back and front and back and front. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back and front and back and front. Scuff. Going on, we have 4 corner jumps. We're going to jump to the right diagonal first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, front. Then we have stomps. Right leg, lift together, open, lift together, open, lift together, open, lift together, open. Now we have heels. 2 on the right, 2 on the left, 4 singles. 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. We have the house step next, which is my favorite. Hop, 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 and hop. 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 Last step is the dive. Dive on the right diagonal and kick. And right and kick. And right and kick. Last time, right and kick. Great. Let's try it a little faster to my tempo. 5, 6, 7, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Step back, step front, step back, and scuff. Again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back, and front, and back, and front. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and back, and front, and back, and front. Last time. 2, 3, 6, 7. Corner jumps are next. 5, 6, 7. Scuff. Jump, jump. Stomps are next. Right, left, right. Heels. 2 on the right, 2 on the left. Single, single. House step, go. Hop, hop, double. Hop, hop, double. Hop, hop, double. Dive on the right. Dive and kick. Dive and kick. Dive and kick. Dive and kick. Woo! Great job. You're ready for the workout.